How long does it take to download and install Fortnite on a PC?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to answer a question that's on the minds of many new players. How long does it take to download and install Fortnite on a PC? This can depend on several factors which we'll delve into. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started.
What is the size of Fortnite?
The first thing to know is the size of the game. As of 2023, Fortnite requires around 90 gigabytes of storage space on your PC. Remember, this is subject to change as Epic Games often updates Fortnite with new features, leading to potential changes in the game's size.
How fast is your internet connection?
The download time is highly dependent on the speed of your internet connection. For instance, with an average download speed of 50 megabits per second, it might take approximately 4 hours to download Fortnite. But if your internet speed is 100 megabits per second, the download time will likely have to around 2 hours. Please note, these estimates do not take into account potential network interruptions or fluctuations in your internet speed.
How to install Fortnite?
Once the game is downloaded, you need to install it. The installation process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your computer specifications. If you have a high-end PC with a solid-state drive, SSD, the process could be quicker. If your PC has a hard disk drive, HDD, and less powerful components, it may take a bit longer.
What about Fortnite updates?
It's also important to remember that Fortnite frequently releases updates. Some updates are minor and take only a few minutes to download and install. Others are major and can take much longer. It's hard to estimate an exact time for these updates, but they can add a considerable amount to the total setup time, particularly for players with slower internet connections. So, there you have it. To answer the question, how long does it take to download and install Fortnite on a PC? We can say that it primarily depends on your internet speed and PC performance. The process might take anywhere from a few hours to half a day, including download, installation, and potential updates. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy gaming!